Hi, Jörgen here at Flatfrog at ISE 2024, where we're introducing TeamTablet Flex, our new device that is made for screen sharing for interactive displays. You just connect your interactive display to this box, and you connect your Microsoft Teams room on the other end, or Zoom room if you prefer that. In this case here, we have a Windows Microsoft Teams room, Logitech bar, we have a tap. I can join a meeting directly on this, of course, since this is a non-touch display in the front. I'm also able to work with my Flatfrog TeamTablet on the Dell display. So from here I can actually mirrorcast from my laptop to this Flex device, which is connected to this display. And from here I can annotate, zero latency inking, follow every standard Microsoft has and Inglass has, so you can easily erase with your hand, you swipe with your finger, you enhance stuff with the pen, and everything is shared in the meeting as well in the Microsoft Windows Teams room here. If I want to, I can even bring out a whiteboard where I can add the content I have, and I can continue to work on it even further. We're also supporting third-party apps, so I can start any application that I like. I stop this one, I take up one PDF in this case, and I want to show that for the participant on the other side. But we want to change some things, because I noticed some fault down here, and then I can just easily go in and change that. Okay, this product, it actually doesn't come with 1-year warranty, it comes with 3-year warranty, included software subscription, full out and firmware updates. So I make them change that in the next version. So this is how you can get the TeamTablet Flex and get annotations and collaboration inside a Microsoft Teams room. Add a new display to your meeting room and you are good to go. Bye.